Alright, I'm introducing you the TidyHQ web interface. As you can see, if you browse into the website, the TidyHQs, krsc.tidyhq.com, this is the website and I'm logged in. Okay, once you got a username and password, you can log in and then you'll have access to the dashboard. Alright, I'll show you that later, but for now let's have a look at the website. So far what I've created is just the basics. You can see the sponsors, the address, the Twitter feed, and we also have a Facebook feed. It's possible to show as well, but this is the events page, and then we got a shop, we got membership, teams and the club. So this takes us back to here, teams. I only put some teams to demonstrate the features, but if I go to juniors, I just copied the stuff from the existing website, and it's easy to do. Just cut and paste from other sites, so it's easy to maintain the features. Membership, this is basically, we can have people to pay for their membership online, and once we set up all the membership features or different memberships, you can register with the club and then just pay some registration fee that will allow existing members to have book their place for next year. Events is again very easy to populate events, and it will have all the features, and people can even pay for it by clicking on attend. So it is very handy, and it's really easy to use or populate, and once one is done, we can always do just copy and make the same event next year or next week or next month, populated in advance. Alright, we have a shop. Again, people can just click on the items and they can pay for it. Once we set up a shop, not a shop, the link to the bank account. Anyhow, so that's that. Contact us. We have a page. People can send a message or can just email these people, treasurer, junior. I'll have to figure out how to select these, so how to make people the selection, so that will actually give us a notification of where that email goes to. But let's say I'm sending it from this email address, and let's go I would like to book up please for next year under 12 for my son. Please contact me with information on registration. Here's you. So the person then send that through, and I will come to so we logged in. Let's see what's the schedule, what events are there, but we'll have meetings and stuff, but anyway, have a look at the dashboard. So this is the dashboard, this is the calendar, and these are some items on our calendar that was already played, and that's coming up still. Anyhow, what was I? Yeah, communicate. So we can have a look at the inbox. So I've got an inquiry, and I can reply to this. Once we have in our store all the details like forms and policies and procedures, we can just say reply and then attach that, let's say attach that document. I'm just sending, let's say I'm sending this, now I can send it to that person, right? And I will receive it. I will receive it in my email. Right, let's go to here. Is it going through yet? Let me see, sent. So yeah, that email was sent. Looks like it did not come through yet, but eventually it will. We'll go to here. Anyhow, so this is email. So we'll have our contacts, club contacts. At the moment, I populated these contacts: Wayne, Shane, and so on. And these people, they have these email addresses. Well, let's have a look at events. Yeah, events is really easy to create events. Create a new event. Let's say soccer game. Can add an image. Yeah, it's not very good, but where is it? Scott Soccer Club. I had this in here before. I need Scott Soccer Club. Anyhow, it will come up with Clifton Street. Alright, if I go Clifton Street, Clifton Street, Scott. Okay. Yes. And then we can create the details of the event. yeah, we can get payment and we can collect email address for that as well. But now let's just see how it is created. So we got another event. Go to alright. Let's see event. Yeah, so we got this event, the soccer game, right? Obviously it doesn't come up very nice because I did not created it enough care. And yeah, tickets, don't forget tickets. Alright, I'm just gonna remove this before too many. So it wasn't actually published. I'm gonna delete this. But this just quickly to demonstrate, okay? Now we got finances. We can work on the budget, right? It is pretty advanced stuff. We will list the transactions, invoices, expenses, deposits. We can create a budget. And then we can create a report, right? And then you can share it with the committee, export it, print it. If I go share, pick an admin, so I can say alright. So anyway, once it's all set up properly, we can use that. Alright, meetings, yeah. Setting up a meeting, easy. Can send the invites to attendees. Again, these are the list of people: Wayne, Cameron, Catherine, and then just click an invite. Okay. Again, easy, straightforward. And then when the meeting is actually on, we can just straight away do the minutes there, typing, or we can use a software, dictation software, to record, or just record the meeting and then I can put it through a dictation software. So it will work without the need to type in the minutes. Membership. You can set up memberships for the members. Again, fairly easy, straightforward. Once we created a contact, we can choose it from the contacts for the members. Okay, the pages is basically to do the website. Again, very easy to populate. Right. So we've got the shop, but we need to set up a payment service. It can be Stripe, PayPal. Obviously this costs money, right? But it is the cost is basically to automate the payment, so you don't have to enter things. It goes straight into the bank account and it appears in the finances. Okay, we'll have to tweak this, but once this system is set up, it will be so much easier to operate. Yep, this is the task. This is what we setting up. Like, okay, we can create a task to set up to set the goals up for the juniors, or do this or do that, and then I'll just quickly show you. So title. Okay, do the lines for the junior pitches. Description. Please complete this task by the end of Friday. Alright. Yeah, we'll set a date. Repeat, yeah, if you want to do this weekly, then you can set it as a Monday, yeah, Friday. Okay, end date. No, task due date. Pick a contact. Followers. So someone will follow this up. Let's say Wayne. And then here we can add attachment like the pitch layout, which we can get it from the website. And then I'll go save, and the task is created. So with a due date, it's assigned to me. No, I should have assigned it to someone else. Okay, but you can assign it to anyone else, and then people can log in and have a look at their tasks. Alright, here we go, apps. There is basically the domain custom. Yeah, we can go use MailChimp. We have and Google Analytics. I can add Google Analytics to check to see how many people visiting. Okay, installed. Yeah, we'll have to set this up properly with the tracking ID. I don't know what that is yet. But yeah, it is handy. The billing is just shows that I already paid for the software for the basic plan, which gives us 90 days of backtracking. So, and this is I think $40 a month, but for $100 a month is unlimited tracking, so we'll see all the emails trail for an unlimited time. Yeah, and then we got help and support, getting started. We got videos, how to use the software and all that. But I can create some videos just like this one. Let's say access to events. It's a nice explanation how to use that feature. Alright, so that was TidyHQ. I will do another video on the rest of the club administration management software. There's another one called Mouse. I'll do that soon, and I'll send you the link as well. Thank you for listening.